Hey y'all, so I had to call in some reinforcements to help me put this dip bar together from Vevor, the company Vevor. I was asked to get this product for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review, but I was super excited to get it because my son has been wanting to work out and this is just the thing that would help him with that. So we started putting it together. It is completely adjustable for the height, which is really great because my one son is 6'5" and my other one's only 5'8". So it's great that it's adjustable and that they can both use it. It does have the bar that goes in between the two bottoms to keep it nice and stout so it's not going to move when they get on it. It does have a 300-pound weight capacity, which is great because that means all of us can use it. And it went together very easily with my dad's help, but overall it was very sturdy, it was very stout. It held my dad and my son at the same time and did not move. So I can already say that we're going to get a lot of use out of it. It doesn't take up a lot of room, which is nice. And it's a great way to just work out without having so many pieces and parts all around the floor or your house. So I would definitely recommend it. So if you're looking for a new way to get some exercise, especially for kids, because mine loves it, then definitely check out this dip bar from Vevor.